Good afternoon from Hong Kong. It's kind of a gray and overcast day. I thought today would be kind of a good time to go over and start testing using that like timing light, if you will, trigger timing light. What I've done is on the center of one magnet, again now this is my trigger coil, and the trigger coil is sitting at, firing or triggering before top dead center. All the others are on dead center. So I've used reflective tape. I ran some tests with just one piece of this aluminum tape. Wasn't doing a real good job. And I've taken some black vinyl electrical tape and kind of put that on center, and got one there and one there as well. So let's give it a twirl. So what I've done is I've taken I've used a pair of scissors, and I've cut part of a circuit board from a remote control. Got a 12 volt LED, and I'm using a 270 ohm resistor. I didn't have any 220 on stock. So right now I'm running at just a little, it's about 500 milliamps. I'm on top of a wash machine, so it's kind of vibrating on this plastic. It's a Hitachi. Anyway, so again, I still have the 4 transistors, the potentiometer, just a little warm, just a little, and transistors ice cold. So my volts, 12 volts, that's on the primary battery. But now, again, see if you can see this, frames per minute. I don't know if that's, if I follow that back, so I've tried it. I've got a mark here I was going top dead center, and I'm really not able to see. I don't know, I think it's too bright, but maybe it's too big. As you can see, the size of the LED compared to my finger. So my big fat chubby fingers. But just moving the light around, seeing if I could see some type of a reflection. There seems to be like I've got 4 on the inside. I don't know if it's a little bit better, but it starts from the center of the coil. So if you're looking at it on the screen here, on the right side where these like strips seem to be, I got 1, 2, 3, like 4 strips, but it starts on the center of the actual core of the coil, and I've got these 4 strips. I'm trying to do different adjustments. I've got to find, make a bracket to hold this, but that's the only thing that I can really see, and I hope it turns up on the video. So, there we go. Just reflecting off of that tape, so the light is not directly on it. So I think those are, I think that's reflection coming from that aluminum tape that I put on. Then it has the black electrical tape over the top of it. So to get that H spot everybody's talking about, I guess I'm supposed to get it down to so there's just 1 strip. I believe we could start an entire thread just on this. Alright, but that's what I've got going so far. Kind of like it. It's a nice little spotlight. So, just hook it up so I can check out my gauges at nighttime when it's running. Alright, that's what's going on. Just wanted to share that with you. Thanks, guys. Be safe, be good, be well.